Hello everyone, welcome back into my second story of today. Today on on O channel on 9th January 2025. As you know, guys, this is my second story of today on O channel on 9th January 2025. But before starting, remember that this is just a story, so just imagine this, enjoy this. Let's start, okay, with I show speed. Yo, what's up, guys? You will not believe what I just did. I decided to take on the ultimate challenge, not just I, with Ishowspeed. Me and Ishowspeed crossing a volcano on foot. Yeah, you heard that right. A freaking volcano. Just as this is just a story, okay? Remember that. So picture this. I am standing at the edge of this massive crater. The ground is rumbling beneath my feet, and there is a steam rising all around me. My heart is racing like I am about to drop the hottest mixtape ever. As I start my trek across the rocky terrain, we can feel me in Ishowspeed and me can feel the heat radiating off the ground. It's like walking on a giant grill. And let me tell you, every step is a mix of excitement and pure adrenaline. Ishowspeed and me dodging volcanic rocks like they are dodgeballs in gym class. Who knew it would be this intense? Wow. Now, what is meaning of intense? Tell me in the comments. But guess what? The views are absolutely insane. I mean, it's like being in a real life video game. The colors of the lava flows are so vibrant. What is the meaning of vibrant? Guys, tell me in the comments. It's like a mother nature decided to throw a paint party halfway through. I cannot help but shout out some motivational quotes. Keep going, you got this, because if I can cross a volcano, you can totally conquer your fears too. And then just when I think it cannot get any better, I spot a little family of goats casually chilling on the edge. Like, are you guys serious right now? They are living their best life while I am out here sweating bullets. Finally, after what feels like forever, I reached the other side. I made it. The sense of accomplishment hits me like a tidal wave. Crossing a volcano check. So remember, if you ever get the chance to take on something wild and crazy, go for it. Okay, this was the happy ending of the story. Life too short to play it safe, but safely, okay? Until next time, keep dreaming big and living even bigger. Peace out. Come here in the comments, guys. Let's keep this story going.